Him never know say a sugar him have. And when me and rub the sword them round him neck back. And nobody else never do it, and me alone. And you deal with me the worst. Me favor you, me everything me have like you. Mother ever say favor your father, your teeth like your father. You know, you're long and straight like your father. Mother ever tell me them things there. And you deal with me the worst. Nobody can tell me nothing about no father. Me dey at jail. Me dey even mention when me dey at jail. When me dey at jail, me must say my mother dead, me not nobody. Never know my sister number out of my head. A film number alone, me know hatred. Film number alone, me didn't know out of my head. I swear to God. I'm going to give the inspector him number. That's how I done there in a jail already, you know. I'm going to give the inspector him number. And you know the man do? Him say, yeah, I come a court. I bring some things. See me, I'm telling you from there, I'm going to get no visit. Him say, yeah, man, I bring some things for you, man, and them something there. You see it, when I go to court, I tell him on the court date, and I tell him off a let off, you know. When I go to court, I know I'm not see him ball in a court. Everybody else, people come for them, and me alone, nobody no come for me. Me alone, nobody no come for me. That make it worse, and me look guilty. And me are the innocent, me are the most innocent one with it on the case. Cause remember, me no know them, you know. And follow my friend, go around that yard there, you know. Boom, people call police underage, you know. You understand? And me are the innocentest one there. And when me look, nobody no come for me down to the boy where a film gun. Feel mama and father come, and nobody no come for me. When I call him, I get my beggar call when I dey at court. He tell me say, yeah, mama, dey on my way I come, dey on my way I come. Build up my hopes now, you know. You see it? So I said to Babs now, when my time of going to court, you know. When I walk upstairs, you know, I looking, I see my father, you know, guys. I'm going to court, you know, I see nobody for me, you know. Nobody for me, you know, I'm just start crying, I tell you, you know, I swear. When I reach up at the jail, I'm come out of the court done, I'm reach up at the jail, I beg her call, because I have a nice police woman there. Every time I beg her call, she always give me a seat. I ever cry and them something there, and she know where I told me come from. I'm a beg her call, and I say, Daddy, you see how come look for me. You hear him now? Oh, him come, and when him come, him never see me with him liar self. But when him come at the court, him never see me. Lie my tell. And next time again, him build up my hopes again. Thank you, Jamaica. Build up my hopes again. I say, yeah, mama, daughter, me I come visit you, man. I come visit you. You in a jail, I know me can't get a visit. Everybody I say, nobody not come for you. Nobody not come for you. Be that the police people ever said to me when they at the jail. I know nobody not come visit you. I say, I feel shame, I feel away. I feel away. From there, so I know say my father are demons. From there in a jail, I not see him. They have one plate of food, they cook local food and bring come give your daughter. Eh? They have one plate of food, they cook local food and bring come give your daughter local snacks. Because I know say money ain't your problem, because you have a big pity them a foreign with mine, you know. They have local cook food. Get insurance money. Him get insurance money. I don't know, say people see me and tell me, I say, Danger, Clive Marshall get pay insurance money. I call him again, no, I say, no, I call him again, nothing. I end up, I come up the day, I say, I will call him. I have nothing to do with him. I have nothing, I just talk a while ago, somebody come out, so I'm to your father, Clive Marshall. I'm the father, I never tell you say my father dead, I have no father. Insurance, you can't get too much insurance money and you come give your daughter, no, your daughter suffer. My mother dead and I suffer. You don't come give your daughter, no, I say, Daddy, I never beg, I don't want 50, I never want 50. Him say, I give me 50,000. That him tell me, I say, I never want so much. Sure, that I say, when he tell me about 50,000, I don't believe him now. I tell him, I never want so much. I tell him, I even want about 20 grand. If I 20, I go to buy some juice and work my local business. And him say, yeah, mommy, I'll come link it tomorrow, mommy, daughter, man, what do you? I know, I'm still away. The father them there. Father them there. Father them there. When him baby mother had a baby mother look last daughter. Our last daughter, I used to keep her for him. When I run taxi, I used to keep him look at daughter for him, which is my sister. And also when the man come, at the time come give him daughter something to eat. A one patty the man buy, you know. One patty, you know. Imagine your grandparents them there too. And you look a granddaughter, you buy one patty, me not do that. Me never do them something there yet. Wicked. One patty him buy. One patty when him come at the time for lunch. One patty him buy if him pick me alone. Come with one local lunch. I'm a dead and so much. Sister money are wicked. Him dead even I say I left for money and my daughter cook. Everybody can eat. Eh? Allow him to God. Allow him and never look upon him. Because roses we never ask him. Why them go for roses? For Wilma party. All of the money must say, oh, Clive Marshall just see there say them say that I'm not offering with me. Come like I come the right time, come and I want to see him. My team go through, you know what team go through since my mother dead. A whole part team go through since my mother dead. And so me do all the time I just want to look up brace. I just want to look up brace. Let them talk about something emotional. I just want to look up brace because I have the mindset to go out there and do my sellings. I just want to look up help. Just a look at help, I just want for us can buy the things them man. Go out there and go do road. Because me that a girl that depend on people. Me ever sell. Me ever have something I sell. Right now I have much clothes in my house. I want them get a barrel of clothes, a foreign clothes when me ever sell. Me ever do my look busy with a juice or water, any local thing. Alright, I want to buy some weed and go and sell to some weed and grab her. And go and boom bang. Like I'm there in my yard now. I'm do my local thing. I want to have some weed or some juice in my fridge. And some water I can sell at night time on the shop block. When I hours. That me I going to do right now. I'm going to build it in my yard. Do my local TikTok. I'm local herbs I sell. I'm local grabber. I'm local juice them. And water. I should guys sell it. Do my local thing. Alright, I don't want the strength from him. Alright, I could have stayed. I'm not a father. Father figure them. See what my mother had a talk about. So my mother hate the man before she dead, you know. Mother hate the man before she dead. And when people say I have years, and my mother say, I'm not sorry for my dead. I'm not sorry for your father. Him cook all food. Cook one day, I go up there for Sunday dinner. I'm go up there and give me a big plate of food and prison dish. But of food, I say I bring some, come give my mother and my sister. When I come down, mommy say, I don't want that, you know. I want nothing for your father for them. And mommy a scan, him and a scan the food. I'm a ball, I say I'm a ball at night. I couldn't even eat the food to my bar, to my mother angry him. My ball, I feel it for him, but me a ball like me an idiot. So my mother class the dirty man. I know me a ball for him like me an idiot. See there, so my mother thought there. See there, him come turn demons against me. Him come turn demons against me. Yeah. One them 40 them not ready, them make them stand there for no long, I'm setting a foundation. I'm not setting a foundation, I'm not buying a house, I'm not buying a land. I'm not buying a house, I'm not buying a land, they are foreign much years. If they are foreign from Skeng down them days, and from Willie I got them days, so you must know. You must know from my Willie I got them days. I said no.
Hey, sister.
He said no. He said no foundation. I said no.
I'm the person that want to you.
I know. Oh, father. How long I tell him say, I know my rest of sister and brother them now.
How much pitney him have, mommy?
Him have the man about 29 pitney. 29 pitney the man have. And the man said that away him own. Imagine the one them where him not own. 29 pitney the man have. Clive Marshall Williams. Anybody know him hear about? I want to meet my sister and brother upon the live. Clive Marshall from Black Roses. Clive Marshall. Anybody know him?
Cookie I laugh.
I laugh, Cookie, man, I laugh. I'm not laughing with him.
Yes,
When-
I know him.
Man, you know him? Him same one, a wicked man. They're my father, a wicked evil man. Cut Jesus' slippers and turn it and rest his pieces. Unruly, thank you. Never see somebody lie, wicked,
All the time, woman
Man, like-
under the sun, I beg him, and I make the woman call me.
Call him. Remember, Paris?
Remember, we dip on the step.
I make the woman a beg him for me. You hear me, yeah, man, I was saying, my daughter, man, my daughter that, you know. My daughter that, yeah, man. I love my daughter, you know, so she have my name for her. My daughter that, man, how
Watch
you?
out, we are cousin.
Come, cause inbox me, cause I have to get to the bottom of
He
this.
run taxi now.
Yeah, I run taxi now, give me no, a wicked.
I'm a William.
Wicked, man, wicked. Evil Clive Marshall from Upper Roses. Wicked. For him daughter, they are suffer on a big pan TikTok. Suffer me, they are suffer on a butter. Butter me a butter.
Clyde for go down.
Him have to go down, Clive Marshall from Roses. Him have to go down. Mr. Wicked father. Him no mind Pitney.
Don't worry.
Allow him to God. I'm alright. Allow him to look upon him. Never tell people say I'm my father.
Yes, twice I'm gonna go down.
I don't look upon him. Paris grandfather. I saw the man a wicked to the man name him.
Him daughter for me.
Tell
But
him.
Paris.
Give him look at that. I'm Pitney name. Name for him Pitney Paris too. You tell me say for that man you're a demons man. Eh? Tell me for the demons man this. Name him Pitney Paris. See I'm a little sister. Favor me, so she favor me.
And I'm not bad.